Hey, I'm going to show you how to make my hot dogs. You will need, here we go, New York, we kind of like these, anything skinless, beef, spinach, either baby spinach leaves, which are so divine, or just spinach leaves, either or, they're so lovely. Sauce, whatever makes your boat float for your hot dog. And obviously French baguette. So put your oven on 450 like that. Have it pre-sliced and pop it in. Hot dogs, make sure you split them. They're much better to fry up when you split them like that down the middle. Okay. You'll need some, that's what I have here. Hot dogs, cheese. We have cheddar with chipotle cheddar. So like jalapenos, the goodies. Our spinach leaves and our sausage. And I will make you the best hot dogs in the world. Let's get this going, and obviously like a decent non-stick frying pan. This is just old, beautiful IKEA. Okay, let's get this baby lit. Okay. A dash of the old olive oil if you must. Just a dash. You don't really need it, but a little bit. Never hurts anybody. Heat that up a little bit. Very little bit of olive oil. And you're going to pop your sausages in. Both split here, split. Those a bit of a fry. Let's see if I can show you here what's going on. Okay. There's my like little ingredient board with my goodies waiting. Okay. And here's the dogs. Hot dogs. Cook those up nice. It would help if I had a cameraman, wouldn't it? You just let those go really nicely for a while. And the bread is on 450. Don't know if you can see that. And it's still doing its thing. I'll try not to drop it like I did on the last vlog when I was making hot dogs. I recall dropping the bread. Bah! Okay. Oh, that's sounding good. Let me show you. It's sounding so excellent. Me and my fabulous camera work again. Give them a bit of a flip. Uh-oh. Let me put this down, because now I'm just honestly being ridiculous. Okay. I'll show you what they look like when they're done. They're really good. I like to cook meat.
I'm a neat cook. I'm not cooking untidy. So let's show you these guys. They look pretty good. See? Okay.
Sounds good. Smells even better. You want them to be not burnt, but you want them pretty well fried, because that's kind of the object of frying them up. Because the microwave doesn't do it for me. Let those go nicely. And we'll see how long this takes. I mean, the bread doesn't take that long in the oven, but just keep checking it. You want the bread to be warm and soft inside, like that's the point of doing it, a fried hot dog on French baguette. It's just the point. You can put whatever you like on them, as long as you got your base. Hot dogs, split and fried, or just fried French baguettes. You can build on it with anything. Absolutely anything. Okay, when your hot dogs are nearly cooked, turn your oven off. Leave the bread in so it doesn't burn. And then you just kind of finish your hot dogs up a bit, like that. Okay. They're curling a little bit much for me. Have a look here. Yummy. Yeah. You can turn your plate off as well when you think your hot dogs are kind of done. And I'm going to show you how delicious they look. They are beautiful. They are absolutely stunning.
Look at how yummy these mothers are. Like yum. Okay, then bread's ready to come out the oven.
Oh yes, and it's hot as hell, and it's steamy on the inside. This is magnifique. Spinach. Lay it on. Don't be shy with the spinach, it's so good for you. Cheese. Look at this so far.
Okay. Okay. So, I don't have a video camera. So that's what we got so far. The steamy bread with some cheese and spinach on it. And then
These guys. Let's pop this on a plate. Like that. And like that. And let's get our hot dogs. Asbestos fingers. That's right, I do. Just burnt the shit out of myself as well. This one. Yum! And this is what we have.
it looks so good. This is what I have here. Look, every time I do a cooking vlog, I drop something on the floor. I've just dropped a hot dog on the floor. So typical. Where is it? Oh great, there it is. Lovely. Every time. It's the second time I've tried to do a cooking vlog and dropped the shit on the floor. It's called Go, Sally. Smart. Anyway, there's my finished product. And I'm not going to pick the other hot dog up and put it on here. These you just bend out a bit because look how beautifully